What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and let's get into it. Today's video is the Buster Gundam. So here's a little sneak preview again. Now this is a beautiful kit. I absolutely love painting this kit. So what I did was I wanted to make the green kind of special. And what I did is I mixed a little bit of dark iron in there to give it that little bit of metallic look. Came out pretty good. Then I did some orange with a little bit of highlighting. The white is highlighting. It's like an eggshell white. And yeah, man, this kit came out beautiful. I highly recommend this kit. It's a master grade. I give it a 10 out of 10. So if you're in the market for this kit, definitely get it, man. It is freaking awesome. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please check it out. And let's get to it. I really appreciate the support, so please like, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell, make sure you hit all notifications so you can check out my next video whenever it comes out. I really appreciate the support, and I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, one step at a time, and attention to detail.